Deeds convey title or interest in real property, and to be effective, they must be properly recorded in the circuit court where the real property lies. To be properly recorded, all the statutory requirements for recording must be met. For example, the deed must be witnessed by 2 different individuals and it must be notarized. The clerk has a ministerial role in recording deeds and will only look to the 4 corners of the document, whether this be a deed or other instrument conveying real property. If all the statutory requirements are met on the face of the instrument, the clerk will record the instrument and it will be deemed valid. And it's important to know this background because of the recent increase in fraudulent conveyances. And in order to address the fraudulent conveyance increase, the state of Florida passed House Bill 1419 that was then signed into law on June 14, 2023. One of the new requirements in that new statute and the House bill is that all witnesses to all instruments conveying real property, whether it be a deed or otherwise, must now add in their post office address to that instrument. So if the post office address of the witness is not in the instrument, the clerk will not be able to record that instrument or deed. And it's really important to know that because this new statute that comes in about the witness requirement for them to put their post office address becomes effective on January 1st of 2024, which is just around the corner. And while there are other ways to combat and address the issue with fraudulent conveyances, such as a quiet title action or a declaratory judgment, these legal remedies cost a lot of time, may cause anguish, and definitely cost some attorney's fees. So the state of Florida is trying to address these fraudulent conveyances with this new witness requirement. And it's really important that you are aware of what is required on any instrument conveying real property, whether it be a deed or otherwise, to ensure that your interests in the real property are being properly protected and properly recorded through the circuit court.